I created stickers to sell on Etsy. Now I want to learn how to package them. And in my research, I figured out the perfect way to do it. Let's jump right in. So we go on to Canva and we go to create, design a custom size. We then choose the one that I'm gonna do is a card stack that's 4 by 9 inches. So that's what we're gonna actually gonna do 4 by 8 inches. Once it opens the canvas, we then have the shape 4 by 8. We're gonna actually do about 4 or 5 little inserts, and to do that we're gonna go to elements and get a frame circle so we could just drop the logo in there. After that we size it, and then we go back to our uploads and add our logo. After this we add a text box, and I just want to say something simple, such as thank you for your business, or actually thank you for your support. And then we'll put it up there. Then we're going to turn it around to make sure it all aligns and fits for rectangular small insert. Once the logo and the wording is done, then we're going to upload a QR code. I grabbed this QR code from a free QR code generator, and it linked to my Etsy store, so you can try it and it will take you straight to my store. So what I did is highlight the whole thing and copy and paste so it could duplicate. And I did that about 2 more times. And all I'm doing is aligning, giving enough space so that when I cut it, I don't cut through the logo or anything. I have enough space so that it actually looks even and nice when we cut it. When everything is aligned the way I want it, we're gonna download it and actually choose PDF print. Once we download, it will allow us to open into the next screen, and that is what we're gonna print. We put in our 4 by 9 cardstocks. And then we send it to the printer and let it print. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut them. We're going to use this paper cutter to cut them individually. For the purpose of this video, I only did a couple of them, so you can see an example of how I would actually do them. And there you have it. We have these as an example. We're going to use this sticker And I have this xylophone bags that we're gonna use one so you can see how it looks. We're gonna put in the insert, and also we're gonna add the sticker. And we're gonna close it up. And look how simple and pretty it looks. That is very, very inexpensive. And we can use the envelope to send our stickers. It's that simple. Just create your label, put it up there. Let's sell stickers. Actually print the label on this. And there is others that just put a stamp on it and send it out like this. So it's very simple. This is literally less than $1, and it's so simple and very presentable. And then just send it out on your envelope. That's it. That's all your packaging.